What if affiliate marketing didn't have to feel like you're sprinting every month just to hit $0 again? Like, you make a commission, sure, but then it keeps paying you. And on top of that, you've got a mid-ticket offer that actually brings in real cash flow without needing a miracle. Because here's the truth. If you want this to be more than a cute little side hustle, you need high-paying commissions, plus residual income, plus a mid-ticket offer that's easy to sell. That's exactly why I'm breaking down this compensation plan today. And don't worry, this isn't one of those comp plans that looks like a NASA blueprint. This one is simple, it's clean, and it's honestly one of the most lucrative affiliate programs I've seen in a long time, especially for people who are tired of low commissions, constant launches, or feeling like they're rebuilding from scratch every month. The program is called the Home Business Academy. It's been around for 10 years, and it was created by two seven-figure network marketing and affiliate marketers, guys who've been burned in this industry too. So they built this in a way that actually protects and supports the affiliate. And here's a big deal. The compensation plan has been the same since 2016. In an industry where people change payouts every 5 minutes, that consistency matters. It tells you they're not guessing, they're not scrambling. They built something that works, and they've kept it stable. Also, full transparency. Mike is a great friend of mine. We go back about 15 years of online friendship. I've watched how he moves, how he treats people, and how he builds. So when I say I trust these guys, I mean it. So here's what we're going to do. In a second, I'm going to share my screen and walk you through the compensation plan step by step, how the residuals work, how the mid-ticket commissions fit in, and why this setup makes it easier to build something that doesn't depend on you constantly chasing your next sale. And listen, whether you're already doing affiliate marketing, network marketing, or you're just looking for a legit way to build income online, this is worth watching to see how simple the Home Business Academy's compensation plan is. All right, let's jump into the screen share, and I'll show you exactly how this comp plan works. All right, so let's say you wanted to make $1,000 a month. Actually, you know what? Let's make it $5,000 a month, because that seems to be the magic number that everyone wants to get to per month. So we're going to calculate that. And as you could see here, if your goal is to make $5,000 a month, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need only 40 all-in members, you plus customers, both all in. So for example, when we talk about you, that actually means that you need to own the products in order to make money from the products. And your customers need to own all of the products as well. So when that happens, you're going to earn $128 per month from 40 customers. Okay. When both you and your customers are all in with all of the HBA products, the Home Business Academy products, you earn the maximum commission of $128 per month per customer, making your income goals much more achievable. If you are all in, again, like I said, where everybody is paying the $128, meaning for all three products, you are making $128 a month, and all you need is 40 customers to be at $5,000 per month. Pretty sweet. So the Home Business Academy pays 80% commissions on all qualified sales made by our affiliates. Qualified sale just means that you own the product that you sold. So if you refer a customer who purchases a continuity, meaning one of the monthly recurring products, you earn 80% of the entire sale every single month for as long as the customer remains active. If you refer a customer who purchases a one-time purchase, you'll be paid a one-time 80% referral commission. So our affiliate program is one tier, meaning that you earn commissions on the products purchased by customers that you refer directly. This is not MLM, network marketing, or anything like that. This is affiliate marketing with a continuity program attached to it. So for the residual income, because remember, there's two different ways to make money. There is the continuity, right, which is what I'm going to explain to you in just a second. And then there's the one-time purchase, which that is for this program up here, the Financial Literacy Academy. So let's look at what it requires for you to make money here with this affiliate program. So as you can see, the cost for the Let's Go membership is $10 a month. The cost for the funnel builder is $25 a month, and premium is $125 a month. So the total to be an all-in member is $160. Okay. This product pays you $8. This product here pays you $20. And this product here pays you $100 a month. So if your customers have all three of them, you are going to make $128 every single month from each customer that you bring in. But you yourself have to be on all of these memberships. Okay. So you yourself have to be paying $160 a month. And you're going to be making $128 per person, which means you only need 2 people to be in profit. Okay. Because 2 of these sales is going to cover your 160, and anything else outside of that is pure profits. So you can see here, all you need is 2 customers. You're going to be at $256. 10 customers is going to put you at $1,280. 25 customers is going to put you at $3,200. 50 customers at $6,400, 70 customers at $8,960, and 100 customers at $12,800 every single month. And like I said before, if you want to make the $100 commissions, you have to own the 125 product. But let's say you were only at the $10 and the $25, well, then you can only make $8 or $20. And this is why it's so important for you to come in at the all 3 combo at $160 a month so you can maximize those residual incomes. If you want to join my team, you have to be all in. I call my customer base the Victory Tribe. You have to be all in. If you're serious about building your business and you're serious about making the $5,000 a month, that's the only way that you're going to be able to do it. So let's look at some of the FAQs. Why do I have to own a product in order to earn commissions from sales of that product? Well, number 1, it's much easier to sell products that you yourself own and love. And number 2, we want great ambassadors for our products and services. Are there any pass ups? Yes. If someone you refer goes inactive for 60 days, all of their customers will pass up to you. So that's pretty sweet. Additionally, the third-party affiliate income streams, because we have, I don't even know how many. It's maybe about 20 or so, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. I haven't really counted, but there's income streams built within this system too that from third-party, like Aweber, GetResponse, and things like that. So additionally, the third-party affiliate commission streams, we have infinite roll-ups. When a customer purchases, the credit goes to the first affiliate in their referral tree who owns the product and has their affiliate link saved in the multiple income stream section on the settings page inside of the Home Business Academy. Next question. What happens if I sell a product I don't own? Well, you'll get an email letting you know, and you'll have a chance to buy the product before the commission runs so that you don't miss out on that commission. When and how will I get paid? Well, we pay commissions every single Thursday. So after you make a sale and receive the commission notification for new sales and rebills, there is a 5-day hold to account for refunds. Then it's put into a queue to be paid out on the next Thursday's pay run. We pay out through iPayout, which offers options for direct deposit, check, or prepaid card. The way that I have it set up is direct deposit. As soon as I get paid on Thursdays, it goes directly into my bank account, my checking account. And then there's also check and prepaid card that you can sign up for as well. You'll receive an invitation to the iPayout e-wallet once you've earned your first commission, and the invite will come the Thursday your first commission is due to you. Since this is a one-tier and not multi-level marketing, MLM, is this a leverage way to earn income? Absolutely. Leverage is defined as the ability to get more with less. Because we pay 80% commissions, you can build a much bigger residual income stream here with a much smaller amount of customers compared to many of the other types of programs out there. This is basically getting more with less, and therefore it's a huge leverage point. This is one of the many leverage points that you have when building a residual income with this compensation plan. $6,990,643 in total commissions has been paid to our Freedom Crusader family so far. But not only that, because of our affiliates, 406,590 days of meals have been provided to children in need through our partnership with Feed the Starving Children. And your support doesn't just change your life, it changes children's lives around the world. So if you're ready to get started making money with the highest paying residual program in the world, and you want to start earning 80% commissions, then click the link right below this video to activate your system, and let's get you started today. And be sure to check my bonuses for you when you join my team, the Victory Tribe. These are the bonuses that I have laid out in the description below that you're going to get for absolutely free when you join my team. So go ahead and click that link in the pinned comment or in the description below, and I'll see you on the inside.